Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video, I'm going to show you the Google Calendar app, which is the part 2, which we are going to create an event, task, and appointment schedule. In the first part, we learned how to switch to tasks and how we can create the tasks and the lists. Let's switch back to the calendar, and if I want to change the weeks, you can see here it's going to show me all the date up here. I can just go to the next, I can go to the previous week. So from here I can change the week to day, month, year, or the schedule. So for the year as well, I can just click here to see which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And also here we have the show weekends. If I select the week, so I can check, or you can just click here to show the weekends, show the client events, show completed tasks, and you can click on show appointment schedules, which is already here ticked, and I can just click here to see. And next to that we have the settings menu. If I click here, so it's going to show me the settings, trash, new, which is appearance, you can print, and you can get add-ons. And if I click on the settings, you can change settings. Under general, we have the language and regional, time zone, work clock, event settings, notification settings, view options, events from Gmail, keyboard shortcuts, and offline. And under at calendar, you can subscribe to calendar, you can create new calendar, browse calendar of interest from URL, you can import and export. And we have the settings for my calendar, which is my name, birthday, and family. So you can change more settings. Under this general, you can see we have the time, so word clock, event settings, more we can change from here. To create an event, you can just click here, and from here for this date, which is Tuesday 25, I can just add a title. Maybe I want to create this BNV. You can select a date, a time, you can add a guest, a Google Meet video conferencing, add a location, add description, or a Google Drive attachment. So here we have this Sahel Ayubi, which I can just click. So you can select an event color, and also you can select this busy or you're free. Default visibility, it is default, you can go with a public or private. And next here we have 30 minutes before, and you can select the notification. You can add another notifications, and if I click more options, is going to show me more options right here, which under guest I can add a guest. Just click here to search for a guest. From here I can select any guest which is available. Guest permissions, you can modify events, invite others, or see guest list. Now you can just click on save. So now here we have this event. You can just click at that to see this event. You can invite via link, and up here you can edit the event, you can delete the event, you can email event details, or you can click on options. You can print, duplicate, copy to family, publish event, or change the owner. To create a task, simple. From here also I can just click to create a task, like maybe it's going to be this TGF, and you can add a date, time, description, and if I click on my tasks, it's going to show me all the tasks from the part 1 video. So now here I can select my tasks. If I don't want to select, so you can go with my task and click on save. To add a schedule appointment, you can click here appointment schedule. You can add a title, like if I want to add to meeting with sales, not same, it is sales manager. So appointment duration is going to be not 1 hour, it's going to be 30 minutes. And general availability, you can repeat on weekly, does not repeat, you can go with a custom one. Now you can see it's going to repeat on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's going to show you right here. and you can change the time zone from here. Like I can go with something, let's try, maybe let's go up here so we can see some more time zone. Maybe I want to go with the Central Time, Chicago. So here we have the scheduling window, which I can just click available now. You can select the maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked, or minimum time before the appointment is start that it can be booked. So I can adjust availability from here, change date availability. If you want to, just click to select booked appointment settings. If I click here, so you can see the buffer time, add time between appointment slots, or you can add maximum bookings per day, and you can guest permission, like guests can invite others. So from here, this is how we can select this booked appointment settings, and also the calendars. If I click on calendars, so under calendars I can check the calendars for availability from here, and now I can just click on next. So here you can see booking page, photo and name. You can just click here, you can select a location, how we are to meet, Google Meet video conferencing, in-person meeting, it's in person, and you can select this phone call or none to be specified later, and it is in-person meeting. You can add a location, description, booking form right here. You can add a first name, last name, email address. You can add an item if you want to. The booking confirmation and reminders, this is now it is off. Now it is selected. I can, okay, let me select this one and click on save. Now meeting with sales manager is going to be on this date, Monday, which is 24, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and up to Friday. So we're going to meet the sales manager, which is our project sales manager. Now up here I can edit appointment schedule, you can delete appointment, and also you can just click on close. So this is how we can use this calendar app. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so you get notified about our latest uploads in our channel. So see you guys in the next video.